friends! Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making a paper plate tambourine. To complete this craft, you will need 2 heavy-duty paper plates, a hole punch, string or yarn, scissors, jingle bells, and markers or crayons. Here's what you'll do. First, hold 2 paper plates together, with their top sides facing each other. Punch holes around the edge of the plates, spacing them about 1.5 inches apart. Cut out a piece of yarn that is about 1.5 or 2 times the circumference of your plate. Weave it through one hole and tie a knot to hold it in place. Next, add a jingle bell and continue weaving your yarn around the edge of the plates. To weave your string in straight lines on top of your plates, go up through the hole and then down the next hole, putting a jingle bell on every other hole. You could also weave your string along the edges of the plates. To do this, go down through every hole. When you reach the hole where you started, tie the yarn off with the knot from the beginning. You can tuck these parts between the 2 plates to hide them. Use your markers or crayons to decorate your instrument. Ta-da! Here's the finished paper plate tambourine. Which weaving pattern will you use in your craft, and what song will you sing when you play your new instrument? I hope you enjoyed this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!